I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by working methodically. Power down, unplug, and give the board 10 minutes to clear residual charge. Once done, lay out screws in labeled groups so you don't mix sizes. Refit the metal RF shield next, making sure it sits flush. Align thermal pads to their corresponding heat sink areas. Misalignment causes hot spots. Tighten the first screws by hand to seat parts, then use a driver for final snugness. Do not over-tighten, because stripped threads ruin reassembly. Next, lower the motherboard into place and press down evenly so standoffs engage without flexing the board. You then reconnect ribbon cables in a specific order: power button, USB daughter board, then the fan header, locking each latch to prevent loose contacts. Once cables are set, realign the I/O plate and replace the mid-frame screws in an alternating pattern. This ensures even compression of the chassis and avoids warping. If a connector resists, double-check alignment before finish by lowering the top cover, aligning clips, and installing rear screws. Tighten progressively so the shell seats uniformly. Reinsert any storage bay or SSD cage and secure its mounting screws, then reconnect the external power cable. Power on and observe the fan spin and the initial LED behavior. Verify video output and pair a controller. If the console doesn't boot, recheck all ribbon connectors and the 12V fan header. Loose ribbons or an unseated power connector are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.